All right, guys, I finally made it out here with the Skydio. It's been a month, and you know what? I don't even know if this thing flies or not. I have not taken it off because it won't let me take it off in the house. Like I usually take everything off in the house. I'll take anything off in the house. I've taken off the Typhoon, the Egg, all of them suckers, but this thing, it won't let me take off in the house, so. And I don't know how to manually get it to start, so who heck with it. So we're just gonna bring it out here. I have to fly it just to see if it works. I don't even know if the damn thing works or not. So we're gonna take it off here for a couple minutes. It's cold as hell out here. God, this weather's just been so bad, but I just want to get it in the air for a couple minutes and check it out. Now, of course, I've never flown this because it wouldn't let me take it off in the house, so I couldn't test it out in the house. Whew. Mercy. What does it say? 5% of the battery. I don't know. Part of the screen's being hidden there. Oh, I guess it's on old auto record. Well, we're hoping. We're hoping beyond hope. Okay, so there it goes up. Now, see, if I would have been able to get that to take off in the house, see, it's on top of the car, it would have been pretty close to the ceiling. So I think it says it goes up 8 feet, which I think my ceilings are about 9 feet, so. Let me check this gimbal button here. I'm just checking the gimbal button out here and stuff. Going up. Testing it down. Now, where's that button for? Hold on a minute. I'm just not sure about some of this stuff. Okay, so I want to go over here and test. For some reason, it sees that car, and it even shows a little icon of a car there. So I don't know. Like I said, I know nothing about this thing because I haven't been able to mess with it. Let me see if I run in right toward this tree. Now is it going to let me run right into that tree? I guess it would. I mean, I was under the impression that it... Maybe it's in this manual mode, but I thought even in the manual mode it would not just blatantly run into something. So if you know anything about it, let me know. That's as low as it's going to fly there. Okay, it doesn't want to run into that thing. Let me go run into this building right here. Now I have to walk over here because I'm curious, because I can't see from where I'm at if it's going to run into this building or not. I mean, how close does it get to something before it decides not to run into it? See, that's what I'm curious about. Okay, so it ain't going to get any closer than that. I'm pushing full stick forward, and it won't go any closer to that bathroom. Okay, so I had to go see that for myself. What about running into me? No. Nope, it just goes right around me. I'm bringing it right toward me. So it just goes right around me. That is awesome. Yeah, I like that. So at least I can't run into myself like I did with the like I did with the B-bomb when it hit me in the face, tore my whole face to shreds. That was good, huh? But that was indoors. I wasn't paying attention. Took my eye off of it, and the optical flow was on that brown carpet and went all nuts. That is just so cool how it just goes right around there. I'm liking it. So it still sees that car, and it puts that little icon of my car over there. So that must be some kind of point of interest or something to it. I don't know. But it seems to want to see it. Let me get out of this snow because my feet are getting all wet as hell. So I got a track in me now. So I'm trying that out. So you see how it's showing you that little circle flying around there. It's flying around what it's tracking, which is me. Now, let me go up just a little hair. Yeah, so it's still tracking. It's still doing good. Yeah. Good stuff. Okay, so to quit that, just hit the little X up there. So now I'm back to regular. I guess that icon on the car, if you hit that, then it would just follow the car. You know what I mean? Conditions are not good. Okay, conditions are not good. But it is what it is. The controller feels fine. You know, it's just the Inoffy controller, so. I haven't even played with the settings yet, so I'm going to look into them later. So, I want to take it for the next thing up there to the office building parking lot and see if it'll work its way around those poles, because I got some new bikes and some new scooters and oh, it flies. It's great. I can tell you one thing I don't like about this thing right off the bat, and I guess it's one of these deals where you're going to have to buy better stuff or buy new stuff, is I don't like the way you have to charge the battery. It's very annoying. Very annoying. Basically, the drone's running all the time you're charging the battery. You know what I mean? So, I'm not digging that. I'm going to land it up here. All right, guys, there you go. Skydio, yay. Well, at least I know it works, right? Okay, so it's working. All right, guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.